बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद वअज्जिल फ़रज आले मुहम्मद। आज हम पढ़ने हैं, टुडे वी आर स्टडीइंग बायर विलेजर रीअरेंजमेंट। ये मैंने पहले मैकेनिज्म लिखा है। बायर विलेजर रीअरेंजमेंट है क्या? रीअरेंजमेंट ऑफ कीटोन्स टू एस्टर्स बाय per acids R C triple bond OH is called Bayer-Villiger rearrangement. Conversion of ketones to esters in the presence of per acids. Rearrangement of ketones to esters by per acids is called Bayer-Villiger rearrangement. For example, this is a ketone acetophenone. When it is treated with the per acid R C triple bond OH in the presence of acid catalyst H2SO4 or HCl, it is converted into the phenyl acetate. This is a ester. C double bond O and CH3. This phenyl is rearranged with the oxygen. This will give the phenyl shows the rearrangement, while methyl migrating aptitude is tertiary butyl and secondary tertiary alkyl, then secondary alkyl is greater, and then aryl. Aryl has greater aptitude than the primary alkyl. So CH3 is the primary alkyl, therefore aryl will be rearranged and it will give the phenyl acetate. This is the mechanism. R C double bond O R. This is a ketone. It has electrophilic carbon. R partial negative when it with electron with itself. So carbon becomes partial positive. H positive will attach on the oxygen and increase the electrophilic character of the carbonyl carbon. Now per acid acts as the nucleophile. This is partial positive and this oxygen is partial negative. This oxygen acts as the nucleophile, attack on the electrophilic carbon, and R OH R prime double bond O C double bond O R. This is the per acid. H positive ions will be lost plus H plus. Now this adduct is rearranged so that this bond will shift between the carbon and oxygen. It will give the double bond. These electrons shift on the oxygen and this alkyl will be rearranged. This alkyl will be rearranged with the electron deficient oxygen. This bond will be rearranged and give the double bond, carbon oxygen double bond. This is the oxygen. This next oxygen withdraws because it has unsaturated group, has the electron withdrawing group. This oxygen withdraw the electron towards itself and give the R C double bond O R negative. This oxygen will become electron deficient. Now R prime is rearranged on this oxygen. That we have given example. This phenyl is rearranged on the oxygen. This ester will be formed. Ester on the hydrolysis in the presence of H2SO4 will give carboxylic acid and alcohol. So Bayer-Villiger rearrangement involves rearrangement of alkyl, aryl or acyl to electron deficient oxygen. It is the nucleophilic or anisotropic rearrangement. Rearrangement of ketones to the esters by per acids is called Bayer-Villiger rearrangement. ये हमने मिसाल दी इसकी. माइग्रेशन एप्टीट्यूड मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया है. ये आपके पास एसीटोफिनोन है, इसको पर एसिड आर सी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड ओ एच और H2SO4 के साथ ट्रीट करेंगे तो ये फिनाइल जो है ये रीअरेंज हो जाएगा ऑक्सीजन के साथ. तो ये आपके पास फिनाइल एसीटेट एस्टर बन जाएगा. माइग्रेटिंग एप्टीट्यूड tertiary alkyl has greater aptitude than secondary, which is greater than the primary alkyl. This is among the alkyl group, but aryl has greater aptitude than primary alkyl and methyl group. Applications: oxygen atom is inserted next to the carbonyl group in the ring and therefore ring expansion takes place. Lactones are obtained, for example cyclopentanone. This is a cyclopentanone per acid H2SO4 के साथ जब इसे ट्रीट करेंगे तो ये आपके पास वेलेरो एसीटोन के अंदर चेंज हो जाएगा. ये ऑक्सीजन जो है नेक्स्ट टू द कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप इज इंसल्टेड इन द रिंग एंड रिंग एक्सपेंशन अकर्स। अब इस रिंग के अंदर यहाँ पे 5 मेंबर्ड रिंग थी, यहाँ पे 6 मेंबर्ड रिंग है। सिमिलरली ये 2,3 डाई मिथाइल साइक्लोहेक्सेनोन है। व्हेन इट इज ट्रीटेड विद CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड OH H2SO4, तो देन oxygen is inserted next to the carbonyl which has electron donating group CH3. This oxygen will be donated, not expansion occurs here. Expansion, oxygen is inserted next to the carbonyl adjacent to the electron donating group. Lactone, this is, so 2,3 dimethyl cyclohexanone can be converted into the lactone. Similarly, this is the camphor C double bond O. When it is treated with the paracid RC triple bond OH H2SO4, so then oxygen is inserted in the ring. We get the 2-campholide, alpha campholide. This is the alpha campholide. So a camphor can be converted into the alpha campholide. 2,3-dimethyl cyclohexanone can be converted into the lactone, and cyclopentanone can be converted into the valeriacetone. Valeriolactone, एक मिनट, एसीटोन नहीं, लैक्टोन। तो we can get the lactones, valeriolactones. Cyclic ketones can be converted into the lactones. These are the synthetic applications of the Baeyer-Villiger rearrangement. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil faraja ali Muhammad.